with the life right now before I be one.
Fair enough. Congratulations. What did you study?
Economics. How about you? I heard you dropped out from school, yeah?
Yeah.
I like you literally said you don't need friends. You don't want friends also, yeah.
Well, I didn't essentially say that, but I did say that I
Cool.
knew friends.
Cool. You don't have to get friends. You could just be my sugar mommy. I don't mind. Yeah.
I look like the requirements. Like I don't meet like the age requirements.
I don't actually, yeah. Well, it's not about that because like I barely follow you. I follow you because of, to be honest, I like you because of your body, not like, and like your personalities and all.
Okay, you
Yeah,
like my personality.
yeah.
Yeah, but like I'm saying that like for me to be your sugar mommy, like at least I have to be
You don't
older.
you,
Like,
you don't you don't need to spend on me. I don't mind. You don't have to spend on me.
but like that's the basis of the sugar. If we
Not
count,
really. Not really. It's not, sugar doesn't mean just money. It means a lot of things apart from money.
really
Yeah.
educate me.
What?
Educate me. So like, what like for you? What is a sugar mommy? Like, what does this entail?
Well, I rather keep it to myself right now because I think it's public, not private.
What?
It's literally a public conversation, not a private conversation. So
Okay, so you want it to be a private conversation.
yeah, because you literally telling me to explain what it means to me.
Um,
Yeah,
you want to have that conversation in private. That's what you're saying.
if you don't mind.
I do mind.
Yeah, because I know it's not your fault actually.
It's not my fault.
Yeah, because you're one of them. So you just have to be like, you just have to do shakaya and all.
I have to.
I know.
Hey, it's not even a
I know
shakara.
you're speechless. Yeah, definitely you have to be one of them. Yeah.
It's not even a shakara thing. It's just like, and it's not even about me being one of them. I don't know what that even means,
Mm-hmm.
but
What?
but
What?
I'm like I don't think like I want to apply for the post of your sugar mommy.
I don't literally need anything from you.
So why do you want me to be your sugar mommy?
Just I just need vibes. Like I I told you, I follow you because of your personalities and your, like how you look and everything.
Yeah, but like that doesn't explain why you want me to be your sugar mommy in the grand scheme of things.
Yeah, well, like to me actually, I just said it. You said what does it mean? Like what's sugar?
Yeah,
What
like
does
what?
what's Yeah, I literally said I can't just say it out loud. You get what I mean?
No, you can't. Because me, for example, why are you in the tower? Because I was from the pool. I'm still drunk. Because someone like me now. Yeah.
Hey, I thought your friend went back to Dubai.
No, I'm here. No, we're in the villa.
Oh, that's nice. Cause I know we have a mutual friend with you.
We're close. So, oh shit, this is Instagram live.
We have a mutual friend with you, but like I'll keep it private actually.
No. Stop. I would say I just need.
What?
You plan on taking it off. I don't. Wait. Anyway, to explain himself. You explain yourself when you wear clothes. I'm coming back. Don't go anywhere. Yeah, I need to know this sugar. Yes, me too. I'm actually kind of curious. Like me, for example, now, if I say I have a sugar daddy, it means she's actually giving me like sugar, like money.
Whoa, I cool. I could be a sugar daddy too if you want. But like, I could only spoil you with gifts. Yeah.
You can only spawn me with gifts.
Yeah.
Now, like, it's not about me. Yeah.
So about what?
Because, like, you said you want me to be your sugar mommy, and you still haven't explained yourself.
No, I said sugar mommy because if I say friend, you say nah, you have enough friends and all.
Yeah,
so
but
like, I can't say a brother because I don't want you to brother zone me. If I got a chance to be like, yeah, to be answered or no. So that was why I said sugar. That was why I just said straightforward.
sorry, like, let's back up. Are you toasting me on live?
I'm not toasting you. I'm just being direct. Like,
So you're direct, like, you're toasting me.
I'm not toasting you actually.
You're toasting me.
What?
Yes, that's exactly what you're doing. You're toasting me.
I'm not doing that.
Yes, you are. I'm coming. Control the live. Like, oh. You can find out what he's talking about. Mm-hmm. Hey.
Hey, what's up?
What's your name?
What?
What's your name?
Sadiq, how are you?
What sugar are we talking about here?
She literally said she don't need friends and everything. Then I was like, okay, let her be my sugar mommy. And like she said, oh, what do I mean by sugar and all? She said money. I said no, I don't need money from her.
Mm-hmm. So what do you need?
Then I said like I can't say it here because it's public. It's a public composition. You get what I mean?
Yeah, but we're all friends here.
Well, like I can't talk in public to be honest because I'm a private person.
And
yeah.
So you intend on having this conversation in the private?
Yeah. Then she was like, for example, then she was like,
the chance to let us know what is that conversation?
She was like, for example, if she has a sugar daddy or so, I said, yeah, I could treat her like one. Even I wouldn't be a state to be a sugar daddy. I would treat her like one. Yeah, that was what I said to her.
Angel.
If he's, I know. I guess she love Hermes. Yeah.
Hermes, yeah.
Yeah. I'll just send one Esme to her. I think it's going to be okay.
A Birkin or a Kelly?
No, I can't get her a Birkin straightforward. Maybe Esme Palms.
Oh.
Yeah. I think I got her size here. I'll just give her one from here. I think. Yeah. If she's cool with it.
But what size is she? You said you have a size there. How do you know her size?
I know her size. Her size is maybe 40 or 41. Yeah.
Let me see. What color?
Don't worry. I'll show you in private. No. Not really. Like, yeah.
By Hermes. But see, you think about sugar daddies.
No. I literally.
But
I just said something about sugar. No.
Pair of Hermes. They're like what?
What?
Don't know.
What?
Can you hear what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Hermes slippers. Now let me explain the concept of
like
sugar. Sugar is what?
Do I look familiar too? Do you look familiar? Mm-hmm.
No.
Alright, then it's fine.
Why? Do I know you?
I just asked.
Yes. So the thing is that anybody can buy themselves a pair of Hermes slippers. Well, we can buy ourselves.
Yeah, I know. She was like, wait. Let me just be straightforward with you. I don't want anything from her. I don't want anything like. I want something for her, but like not anything with money. You get what I mean?
What you want? You're beating around. I don't like merry-go-round.
Do you watch Mr. Macaroni videos? Like how he acts freaky, you know. Uh-huh. I literally told her why I follow her. Like, I follow her because of her personalities and her body. Like, to be honest, yeah. Yeah, that's why I follow her. Like, yeah, I'm not lying. Like, even her TikTok videos and all. Yeah, just
my TikTok.
Yeah.
What happened to my TikTok?
You know it better than me. I don't need to say actually.
Run out of this villa. Don't run out. Okay. Into the ocean. So actually, I'm interested in this conversation of sugar daddy.
What?
I want to move. Yes. We're conversing, Mr. Sadiq.
I don't think you should. Can I call you another name apart from your name?
Can you call me another name apart from what?
Your name.
Interest me. What name would that be?
You're meant to tell me. Or your friend will tell me. What?
Like a pet name, like a romantic pet name.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, freaky. Can I call you freaky?
Sorry, which one are you talking to? You.
Is it like I saw her reaction? Is it disgusting?
What?
Was it disgusting? Because I saw her reaction. She was like, the face she gave actually.
Which of us, Lydia? I need to leave this place. So I don't like how they involve me. I don't like how they involve me.
What's inside the cup? What are you thinking?
What's inside the cup? It's Long Island.
What? Can you come again?
It's a Long Island.
Oh.
Yeah. So, Mr. Sadiq, if that's all, deuces.
That's not all to me actually. You haven't given me an answer yet.
What is the answer? You haven't even said anything yet. Question.
Rather than if I haven't said anything, just give me a space to shoot my shots.
You want to shoot your shots?
Yeah.
That's what you
stop. I like stop blinding me with your beauty, you know?
What are you saying?
Like stop blinding me with your beauty.
I should stop what?
Stop blinding me with your beauty.
I should stop blending you with my beauty.
With your beauty.
See, yeah, like you're stressing me out.
I can pay for the stress. I don't mind.
I don't need your money. What do you think this is?
Yeah, I know you don't need my money actually. But I need something from you.
What do you need from me? Fun.
Yeah.
Do I look like I offer fun?
But you have fun actually. You always have fun. I'm even surprised you're not out. Like I thought you meant to be out by this time.
No, I'm at a villa plus it's Sunday.
Oh, that's calm.
Okay, so is that all?
What?
Is that all? Are we done?
Do you want to hang up?
Do I want to hang out with you?
No, like I'm not done talking to you, or just can't wait to have the call.
Okay, so what do you want from me essentially?
What do I want from you?
Yeah.
I literally told you what I want from you.
I want to be your sugar mommy, and I've declined that.
I want to be. I can't call it a friend. I want to be more than a friend to you.
Hey, good.
Someone you could talk to in your bed.
That's really interesting.
Anyway.
Wow.
So, do you mind?
I mind.
What the fuck? So like, I can't get I can't get any chance to reach to you. Is that what you mean? Hmm?
What?
So you literally not giving me any chance to get to you.
To get to me.
Uh-huh.
Hey, good. Hey. Wow.
What's wrong?
Really?
Mm-hmm. I
There's
I
no.
will see like I can see like I'm just making a smile on your face maybe. You're just blushing. It's not blushing.
Blushing me.
Uh-huh.
This is my normal face, so
I
I'm
don't
not.
think so. This is not what I see online. I see more cuter face online.
What?
Never mind.
Hey, good. Anyway, Sadiq,
Mm-hmm.
thank you so much for calling me. It has been actually very, fun. You know, so much fun. Wow.
Well, you haven't made
And
my day yet.
what?
You haven't made my day yet.
I haven't what?
You haven't made my day yet. Hello?
I don't
Yeah.
think. I don't think that is my responsibility to make your day.
Well, like, you're a lady, so I think it's yours to me, sure. Hello?
I just really, like, I like the confidence. That's the truth of the matter. However, this is where it will end.
Oh, oh, my regards to your friend, actually.
I will tell my friend that you sent your regards.
Oh, I should send it. I think I should more send it to her. Ask her, can I send it privately to her?
You can send. You can. I don't know what you want to send. But anyways, Sadiq, good night. Good night.
Sure, safe.
Yes, please. Can you do your favor? Yeah, thank you. As I was say, can you do me a favor? Anyways, that was a very interesting one. I did not know what he was talking about. Neither do I care. I'm going to add someone else. Add me. Add me. Shut up, Lydia. Bitch. Let me see. Oh, fuck. Hi. Why should I every time I add women they have bad network? Hi. Lydia, I hope nothing. Hello. Your audio is not working. Hmm. Okay. I got someone else. Let me me see if this person would come.
Hello.
Hi.
My pretty.
And her network has gone. That's good. Well, she's out. So, this is what I'm talking about. Anytime I add women, the network just trips. I don't know why. Let me add someone else. Oh, I add like this.
Oh, I love it. Ocean drive in the sky. Oh.
Let me see.
I'm outside, babe.
All right, baby. Hi. Hi. Your network, like, I can't hear anything.
Can you hear me?
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good.
Can you speak louder, please?
Yeah, can you hear me right now?
Yeah, I can hear you. Hi, what's your name? How you doing?
Yeah, my name is Oyewole.
Eh?
I'm actually surprised to see you.
Your name is what?
Oyewole.
Lowole?
Wale.
Wale. Oh. Hi, Wale. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, I'm a Yoruba guy. I can't even see. I don't know. Just sorry.
All right. I don't know about that. We gotta go. Hi. I don't know whether he came here to do fashion contest. But I'm gonna go outside, guys, because I'm tired. Tun, 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 tun.
Hey, baby.
Hi, I'm going to stay at the hammock.
Okay, try. Just try it. See what I want to do.
The hammock? First of all, why is it so? Why is it wet?
What's me falling down?
Wait. Yeah.
I'll help you.
I'm tired. And I'm holding my drink. You help me and you're sitting down.
I have to put something down. Stop. You're going to hurt yourself.
No, I'm not. Right? And then.
I told you, David.
Is this how you felt when you were trying to climb it? Really?
I'm dropping a drink.
Take my drink. I will no longer be doing the hammock thing.
So fucking dangerous. No, you just need to just wait. Okay, put your phone down. Wait, don't. Yeah, try and balance in the middle.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't go to one side. You fall. Okay.
I don't think I can come out of this.
Yes, you see why I called you.
Please look at Lydia. Best in body. We outside, we outside. We outside, we outside. We outside, we outside. Okay, Lydia, I'm trying to come out of this hammock. Yeah. If I fall, just know that I have a lawyer.
This one is even low. The one outside there is I was still falling on my face.
Now I'm all sticky because my drink spilled on me. No, it's about the stickiness of my body. I'm going to change. I don't like to wear sticky. I feel sticky. Yeah. Everybody say add me. I add you guys. Your network is shit. So I'm tired of adding you guys because your network is shit. That's it. Maybe if your network wasn't shitty, I would add you guys. I'm never climbing that hammock again. Let me see. What else is on the live? Oh yes, I was going to show you guys the coolest thing here. So yeah, outside of this space. No, don't close. So you have like a place, it's like your leg is dirty. No. You have like this little pool to rinse your leg. Which is what I'm doing. Like if your leg has sand and then you walk into the house, and that's my favorite part. Okay. I think I'm going to go off live. I'm tired. Okay guys, so I'm out. See you guys whenever I decide to come out of isolation again. Bye. Thank you to all that joined my live. Bye. Okay, let me see if I should actually add one more.